Introducing the Lola, one of the smaller profiles in Luz Negra's designer pendant light range. Made with high-quality aluminum, it is available in 8 different color finishes to perfectly match any interior. Azure blue, black, ivory, pastel yellow, patina green, red tomato, stone gray, and white. The profile is perfect for pendant lighting, such as over desks, kitchen islands, dining room tables, boardroom tables, and even billiards tables. You can even get a color that matches your felt. The Lola can be surface mounted too, or suspended from the ceiling, giving you flexible and customizable aesthetic lighting effects. You can buy with confidence, knowing there is a 10-year guarantee on the profile, and 4 years on its diffusers. The Lola offers excellent heat dissipation, allowing it to accommodate high-power LED strips such as the King Protea series and Cardinal Flower series, without compromising performance due to overheating. The Lola features an internal light tray, to which an LED strip can be mounted. You can slide it in and out for easy repairs and maintenance. It also leaves an area in the Lola for power supplies and controllers. You can download the cut sheet from our website to see the dimensions of the available space. Please note that the internal light tray is sold separately from the profile. So be sure to consider this when placing an order. The tray can also be used as a cover on top of the profile. This makes it easier to surface mount the Lola onto your walls and ceilings. You can also attach the hanging kit to it. Mount the tray to your surface, and slide the profile onto it. Nice and easy. The diffuser is available in a textured microprism finish. It eliminates spotting with minimal loss of light output. This diffuser slides in from the side, so make sure you have it in place before you attach end caps. We can also cut the Lola to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the Lola. To create stunning pendant light fixtures, we recommend the Universal Hanging Kit, available for purchase on our site. We also have a short tutorial video showing you how to use it. To complete your light fixture, you'll want to use end caps. There are 8 colors to choose from. We also offer mounting clips, which you can use to attach the Lola to surfaces and hanging kits with ease. If you're interested in using the Lola for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.